All right, we want to get now back to another community question.
This next one comes from Kurt Holmes, the vice chairman for the Kalispel Tribe of Indians. Let's take a listen.
As a federally recognized Indian tribe, the Kalispel Tribe is a sovereign government that works really hard to provide opportunities and provide services that uplift our tribal members as well as the local community. What are your plans for partnering with and creating opportunities in your congressional district, not only with the Kalispel Tribe, but with other sovereign Indian tribes on some very important issues such as co-managing natural resources, promoting economic development, as well as addressing the opioid epidemic?
Ms. Conroy, you have 1:30 to answer the question.
Thank you. When I've been up to visit voters up in Pend Oreille County, people tell me every time I go up there how much they appreciate the contributions to the community that the Kalispel Tribe has made, that the casinos, the restaurants, the hotels have provided job opportunities and entertainment opportunities and communities to build community that they greatly respect and appreciate. So we are blessed here in the Northwest to have the presence of so many sovereign nations, an opportunity to learn from indigenous knowledge about our lands, about the resources here, about how we can find ways to heal the land as well as our illnesses. And so working with the tribes, making sure that we meet our sovereign treaty obligations, including by finding ways to improve the Snake River dams to ensure that salmon runs can be reestablished and be made sustainable. That's an important federal investment, and I would look forward to being able to work with sovereign nations in our district to be able to make that happen.
Thank you. Mr. Baumgartner, you have 1:30 as well.
Well, thank you. Stemming from my 8 years in the state Senate, I've had significant experience working with the tribes here in the Northwest, and I'm pleased to be not only supported by the Kalispel, but also the Spokane Indian Tribe and the Colvilles and the Yakima Tribe have all supported my campaign. So I appreciate that. One area where we really need to work together is on forest health. And so I'm the son of a WSU forestry professor, and there are so many timberlands on our tribal reservations that we need to work with them in partnership. And some of their forest management practices are actually better than what's going on right now on our U.S. Forest Service land. So forest health will be a big area where we can work together. Certainly anyone that's been through the Airway Heights and the West Plains has seen the tremendous amount of economic development that has gone, that both the Kalispel Tribe and the Spokane Tribe both have contributed to. So we'll be working on those issues. And then access for health care on tribal areas is very important. We've seen disproportionate burdens on in lower healthcare outcomes in some tribal areas, and that's a very important role for Congress to work on to make sure that there's doctors in those areas as well too. I was so pleased with the development of the WSU Medical School that in their rural health model they are sending residents and doctors in training to our tribal areas, and that's something that we'll be supporting in Congress as well too.